Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So we will begin the class immediately without any delay. So just let me open the PPT and share that to you. I hope now everyone is seeing the PPT. So the flow of the contents, okay, will be like this. We have already discussed on the first day about orthogonality and basics of signals, and we were also discussing about the basis vectors. Today we will try to do some more problems related to this orthogonality and basis vectors. Then yesterday I told something like signal compression in the audio domain. Okay, so we will see today something in image domain also. Okay, spatial domain I mean to say. Then we will see some more image transformations, basically some matrix operations. How to rotate an image. Yesterday we have seen I used a command, but what is the mathematics behind rotating the particular image? Okay, or if you wanted to make an image up and down, okay, top and bottom kind of thing, or left to right, all those transformations you can get it through basic matrix operations. Okay, so how to do all those things we will try to see, and then we will see some image enhancement techniques. In that we will mainly concentrate on contrast stretching, and then we will see something on how to take a negative of an image. Okay, the rest of things like convolution, histogram equation we have already discussed. Okay, so this will be the rough overflow of what we the kind of flow we will be having today, right? Okay, so just let me go to uh, the paint file where I can start writing some simple matrix operations. Okay, I will be sharing that. The paint file is getting open, so I will share that particular file now. Just a minute, I am just sharing that. Share content. Share the MS Office, Microsoft. 1 minute, I'm just sharing the paint file. Okay, yeah. So I hope all of you are seeing the paint file. Okay. So what we will do is, suppose I have a matrix. Now I am telling in terms of matrices, but you have to correlate it to image, because every image you can treat as a matrix, right? So for us to do hand calculation, I am taking just a 2 by 2 matrix or a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. But when you take the original images, they will be of the size 100 by 100 or even more than that, right? So whatever operation I am doing with the over here for the 2 by 2 or the 3 by 3 scenario, the same may not be directly applicable for a original image which is of 100 by 100 or 200 by 200, something like that. Okay. Sometimes some of the operations will be similar. There will be some alternative ways of doing it. I will try to show those kind of things also. Okay. Suppose now let us assume that this is the image. Okay. So there are only 4 pixels. Let us assume that there are only 4 pixels and the values are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So you can just simply think this as an image and the pixel values are like this. Okay. Now suppose I wanted to make it as 3, 4, and 1, 2. Okay. So that means the top row became the bottom row became the top row. It is like up and down. Okay. Talakindulu antam kada. It has become like that. So what kind of mathematical operation I should perform, okay, on this matrix? Suppose let this matrix be called as A, okay, and let this matrix be called as B. Okay. So in order to make the matrix A as a top down, okay, what operation I should perform on this A? Okay. For example, I may have, see, when I say some transformation, generally it can be something
Sir,
like this.
Vikram sir.
Yes, sir. Is it audible?
Sir, please unlock the room, sir. Unlock the room.
Okay. Wait. Let me check. Okay, wait. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. One more person. Yeah. I was not seeing that particular thing. Yeah. Okay. Right. Yes, sir. So now the original matrix is A. The original matrix is A, and we wanted to get the B matrix. Okay. So A has to get transformed to. Okay. So let this be represented as the transformation T. So then I will say T of A. Let me say T of A. Okay. That is giving me B. Okay. So then what will be T of A? Generally, because we are discussing with the matrices, most probably what we can expect is it will be something like some C into A. Okay. B will be in the form of some C into A. Now we need to find the matrix C, which is going to give us this B. Okay. So if you wanted to go by a very raw method, okay, so the very basic method, if you wanted to go by that way, what you can do is some simple thing you can do here. See, for example, I want this, whatever output you want, you first write. Okay. 1 2 3 4 1 2 is equal to, I don't know what is C, so simply I will assume the values of C as, say, some X, Y, Z and W. Just let me assume like that, and then I will write here, 1 minute. Okay, here I will write that A. So A is 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, that matrix. Okay, so now you just to multiply the right side, two matrices are there, you will get some equations. Four equations are there and four unknowns are there. Four equations and four unknowns, you solve them so that you will get the values of X, Y, Z, W. That is the very raw method of doing the problem. Okay, so okay, so once you do that, you will see, okay, you will see that it is nothing but you will get the values like this: 0 1 1 0. Let us check whether this is happening or not. Okay, let us check whether when I really multiply with this factor, is it coming or not. Okay, so what I will do now, just let me write. Okay, so let me write that 0 1. Later on you please check it. Okay, okay, I'm directly giving the answer 0 1 1 0, but later on you
Amount
check it.
ba?
So 1 2
Amount.
3 4. Okay,
Amount enta project amount.
okay, so if I multiply this, am I getting the B? That is the question. So let me check now. Just for one value,
4 lakhs
0 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Okay, so that will be 3. Next is 0 into 2 plus 1 into 4. Okay, so it will 4.
Ita
Okay,
ichindha.
so in this way you can get the other two values also, and you will see that the output is this. So I hope you understood
Chapters nalu
that
unnai ba.
just by a transformation, that means a
Chapters
pre-multiplication.
పెట్టేసాం మనమే.
Please understand, this is important again.
మళ్ళా
మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము,
returns
ఒరిజినల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్
Sir, Dr. Sunil Kumar, please mute your mic.
ఇది హర్షాది
Dr. Sunil Kumar,
ఇవి అదే మాది ఒకటి ఉంది కదా మనది.
Sunil Kumar.
Yeah, I think I have muted him. Yeah, okay, so what we are doing is we are pre-multiplying the given image with this 0 1 1 0. Okay, so if it is a 2 by 2 scenario, we can multiply like this. But if it is a bigger, higher level dimension matrix, so what will be the thing we have to do? Okay, so let me take one more example. This is the 2 by 2 scenario. Let me take another scenario, but before that I will save it. Okay, so SS1 2. Okay, SS1 2 3. Okay, so right now let me open a new file so that I will write over there new. Yeah, suppose I have a new matrix now. 1 minute. Suppose I have a 3 by 3 matrix now. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the pixel values. Okay, let us assume these are the pixel values. Okay, right. Suppose I have the matrix like this and I want it to become up and down. Okay, so that means I want the output as 7 8 9 4 5 6 1 2 3. Okay, so can you now guess what will be the transformation, with what I have to multiply? Okay, with which matrix I have to multiply? Can anyone guess and tell me in the chat box? Yeah, now you can start typing your answers in the chat box. Okay, yeah, you can type the answers in the chat box. What will be that matrix? At least type the first row. First row, what will be? First row of the matrix, how it will be? Already I showed for the 2 by 2, right? No, not transpose. Transpose means which transpose? Which transpose? 100. No, it is not 100. See, in the 2D case, we were writing 0110, right? For the 2D scenario, we were writing this. Now, by seeing this, you tell me for the three points how it looks. First row, how it should be. It is not transpose. If you do it, first of all, when you are telling transpose of which one you will say first? Okay, so please, right? It is not 100. It is not identity matrix, right? It is not 001. Correct. Okay. So Virinchi sir started with the correct answer. Virin. Okay, right. So 001. So the answer is something like this. It is like this: 001 010, then 1 0 0. Okay, right. You can easily cross check whether this is happening or not. Say for example, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 7. So it will become 7. That is why you got here 7. That's all. In that way, you can easily check out. Okay. So now you understood how to make the image up and down. Okay. Now let us see how to make the image left and right. Kudi edama. If you wanted to do that kind of thing, what to do? Okay. So what do I mean is, let me just take a new slide then. Let me take a new slide. But before I take a new slide, let me save it. Okay. Okay. So yeah, what I mean to say is, if I have 1 2 3 4, okay, I want this to become as 2 1 4 3. Okay, కుడివైపు ఉన్నది ఎడమ వైపు రావాలి, ఎడమ వైపు ఉన్నది కుడివైపు రావాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఏ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్. సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, మీరు అద్దంలో చూసుకుంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ఇన్ ఏ మిర్రర్, హౌ దే లుక్. Okay, that is what we want now. Okay, assuming as if you have a mirror at this place, something like that you can think. Okay, so now again I have to perform some operation. It is like a mathematical operation you have to perform. So can you guess what we have to do again? So you can tell your answers. Just observe what I am doing now. See here, I will now multiply the right side. That means it is post multiplication. It is post multiplication. Okay, so if I do post multiplication, what is happening? You see, this 1 into 0, so 0, plus this 2 into 1, 2. So this 2 is, this 2 came up. Okay, next we will see this 1 into 1, so that is 1, plus this 2 into 0, so that is just 1. Finally you have only 1. Okay, so that is why you got this one. Okay, so just the same way, let me just tell only for one more number. Later on you will do for the other one. So this 3 into this 0, so 0, plus this 4 into this 1, so 4, so this 4. So like that. So if you want to just to do the right left or left right kind of conversion of the given image, you have to multiply with this kind of factor. Okay, now tell me for the 3 by 3 scenario, suppose you have the original image as A, okay, and I want to get the B, which is mirror image, okay, with what I should multiply. Okay, how should be the first? You should multiply by this 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. But you see, this is post multiplication. When you wanted to do up and down, you did with pre-multiplication. But for left and right, you are doing post multiplication. Okay, so you should understand that particular concept. Okay, now let us go to the MATLAB and try to do using the real image. Okay, is there any easy way of doing? I am not going to do this kind of way, though I told mathematically this way. While I am doing really in the MATLAB, I am directly going to use some commands. Okay, so let us go there and just check it. Okay, so let me open this MATLAB thing. Go to this. Just it will take some time. Online MATLAB to open. Online MATLAB compiler. Yeah, it is opening. By the time, if you have any small things to ask, you can just ask. So this is the way you can utilize your time. Yeah, it is opening. Right. Yeah. I hope you are able to see the screen. I will just share the screen of the MATLAB. Otherwise, you will be thinking what I am doing here. So just let me.
Sir, unlock the room, sir. Somebody waiting, sir.
Okay, sir. I'll just check, sir. Participants. Sir, no one is there in the waiting. One person. Yes. Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. So I think all of you are now seeing the MATLAB screen. Okay. So we will implement here now. Yeah. So what we will do is, very simple things we can do. Very simple operations we can perform here. Let me take A is equal to im show of we will take that horse. Yesterday, I think we were having that horse image, right? We will take that horse image. Okay. So, .jpg, horse.jpg. We will put it like this, and we will also do like this. Okay. So let me press enter. Okay. Yeah. So if you see the image, show of a. Sorry, very right. 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay. So this is the way horse is looking now. Okay. Now just let us do some simple manipulation on this. Let me say a is equal to im read of. Let me say a is equal to im read of horse.jpg. Horse.jpg. Okay. Semicolon. Let me press enter. Okay. I have read the image into a. A loki that horse image pixels have come up. Now what we will do is, we will do like this. B is equal to, let me see in the workspace what are the dimensions. Okay, the size of A is 142 by 114. Okay, size of A and D 142 by 114. Okay, I just wanted to know how many of your non-Telugu people is there any non-Telugu person here? Can you type in the chat box? If there is any non-Telugu person, please type in the chat box. If there is any non-Telugu person, please type in the chat box. Otherwise, I will assume that all are Telugu people and then I can use more Telugu. That's why. If no one is responding, then I will talk more in Telugu. Later on, you will be in trouble. You should tell now itself if you are some Tamil person or Kannada person. Kannada, I am expecting Kannan sir. Kannan sir, you are Telugu or Tamil? Tamil. Okay, fine. But I think you are able to understand some Telugu, fine. Right. Okay, right. Yeah. I have unlocked it. Okay, right. Okay, no problem, right. Okay, so what we are doing now, let us check. 142 by 114. Okay, 142 by 114 undi kada. Now I am performing a simple thing. Right. Okay. I am writing like this. Check it now. A of colon comma 114 colon minus 1 colon 1 comma colon. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Semicolon. Enter. Okay. Now, can you expect what I have done? Can you expect what I have done? Okay. What I have done here. Can you expect? Simply what I did is A of colon. So this first colon will tell that I have to copy all the rows. Anni rows ni we have to copy చేసుకోవాలి as it is. Then what I am doing is coming to the columns. మొత్తం ఎన్ని columns ఉన్నాయి? The total number of columns are 114. So what I am doing is I am coming from right side of the columns. That means I am starting at the last column, that is 114. Okay, it is like a for loop. So I am starting at 114 and I am coming to the first column. So I am reading from the right side. I am reading that image from right side to left side, and every time I am decreasing the column by 1. Okay, so -1 represents that I am decreasing the column by 1 unit. Okay, so it is like reading that image from right side to left side. That means you will be now seeing how the effect will be. Okay, so let me press enter here. Okay, now in figure, new figure. Okay, and im show of B. Im show of B. Okay, so let me press enter. So 1 minute. Im show of B. Okay, let me press enter. Yeah, so I think you are able to see now. Second figure has come. Did you observe the difference? Figure 1, figure 2, let me put side by side. Okay, so here this is the figure 1, and now you see the mirror image figure 2. Okay, now we can build one small story. See, especially when we have to teach to students, right? So when you have to teach to students, you can create some small story like this. Initially the horse is seeing towards the right side. Okay, as of now you are seeing the screen. in your phone or in your computer, అది ఎక్కడ చూస్తుంది అంటే కుడి వైపు చూస్తుంది అనుకోవచ్చు. సో వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ఎ స్మాల్ స్టోరీ ఫర్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఈటింగ్ ద గ్రాస్ ఆన్ ద రైట్ సైడ్. స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఈటింగ్ ద గ్రాస్ ఆన్ ద రైట్ సైడ్. ఓకే, బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైమ్ ద గ్రాస్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. సో నౌ ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ టర్నింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ లెఫ్ట్ side and it started eating the left side grass. You can simply create a small story like that. The students will laugh for some time, but they will remember this story and also the concept forever in their life. Okay, so that is the way. Okay, like a teaching small technique. Okay, now so now we have seen how this transformation has happened. Now let us check how to do. So here we have done the left and right kind of thing. Now how to do the top and bottom kind of thing. Okay, so for that let us take some other image. Let me not do for this horse. Okay, the horse will get angry if you make it up and down, it will become angry. Okay, so don't do those kind of things. When we are doing something, no, some issues are sensitive, we should not simply take any person's image and do these kind of things, right? Horse will get angry and it is like insulting it, so we should not do that kind of thing. Okay, so we should also remember when we are teaching, right, these kind of things. Left and right is okay, but up and down is not good, right? Okay, it may think like yoga, Shirshasana. Okay, but okay, so let us take care about those things. You can perform similar operation for some other image. So let me take some other image and do that. Okay. For example, yeah, I have this image, right? Okay, coins. Okay, let us take that coins thing. Okay, so how to take that coins thing, if you remember, let me say C is equal to im read of, okay, im read of that coins were in 8.tif, if you remember, 8.tif. Okay, okay, so that is a built-in file in the MATLAB, so I am taking that. C is equal to this. Okay, now what I will do is im show of C. Okay, im show of C. Okay, so let me press enter. So it would have already come. Yeah, you can see these coins now. Okay, now you just okay, right, this is how the coins are. Just remember how the configuration is. Now I am trying to do up and down, right? So what is going to happen? Okay, so this part will come like this. Okay, just remember this, or you take a screenshot so that you can compare. Or what you can do is, on your paper you simply put, you just draw this. You need not draw the coins, you simply put it 1 2 3 4 kind of thing. Exactly where the coins are there, you simply put 1 2 3 4 on your paper, and when I do the operation, then you can check whether that has happened, that inversion happened or not. You can check. That is the way. Okay, you now simply put on your paper some box kind of thing, and in the box approximately at these locations you simply write 1 2 3 4. That's it, approximately. Okay, approximately where the locations are in the paper you can put. Now what I am doing is, just observe, d is equal to C of I will put a semicolon. See, when I am playing with the images, I am putting a semicolon beforehand itself. Okay, I yesterday I think I told the reason. Okay, it always for images and audio signals it is better to put that semicolon. Okay, otherwise huge number of numbers will be getting printed over here when you run the program. Okay, now this is having 242 rows. Okay, just now tell me in the chat box, by already you saw how you interchanged the columns. When you interchanged the columns like right to left, you got the image as a mirror image. Now you want to do top and down, right? So what command I have to write here? Please tell me in the chat box. I am waiting for
Sir,
your
some
answer.
of the participants are waiting, sir.
Waiting,
Please
sir. Okay,
unlock
sir.
the room.
Let me check. It is not showing me, sir. It is not showing me that someone is waiting. It is not showing to me that someone is waiting here. Just let me again check.
But,
Cross-check. Let me
You
cross
please
check.
unlock, sir. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Just unlock that room, sir.
Yes, sir.
Automatically they
No, it
enter.
is already locked. Room got locked. Wait. So
Yes,
let
sir.
me go and check.
For every 5 minutes, it is going to lock.
Okay. But tell me where it is. How to go? How to go and unlock? Where is it? That option where it will come, sir?
That 3 more option is there, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Unlock. Yeah. Okay, I got it now. 3 dots. Okay. So unlock came. Okay. Yeah, unlock has come, but now no okay, but if no participant is waiting, I think. Please check.
They are sending a SMS through WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I think now I can make you host. I think. Let me check once.
Ah,
I think now you can take the control. Otherwise, it will be disturbing now. So what I'll do is,
okay.
I have to make you the host, right? So admin, I just check your name. 1 minute, I'm just checking your name. Checker, sir. Checker, sir. I have to make you host, means. 1 minute. Just hold on. Other people, what you can do in the meanwhile is that matrix thing you can. Chandrasekhar, sir. Okay, right. Right click. Allow to annotate. Change role to host. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think now you are the